All right, folks, Friday morning, jobs report Friday. So we got the big report coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's the November jobs report. The expectation on the street is that we see a bit of a pullback in the growth of jobs that we saw last month. That number, non-farm payroll coming in or expected to come in just over 400,000, right around 450,000 jobs created versus the 600 plus thousand that we saw last month. Also expecting to see a downtick in that unemployment rate from around 6.9% to 6.7%. Now, all that being said, what this report will not take into account is the last couple weeks of November, particularly where we saw more lockdown measures being put in place as the survey and the results typically end right around the midpoint of the month. So something just to keep in mind there. Now, market reaction ahead of this number right now, we are seeing the equity markets trade into the green, albeit just moderately. Look at FX, continuation of what we've seen the past couple of days. Dollar once again getting crushed. That euro up above 1.21, pound up above 1.34. Look at the Swiss franc lately. Strongest position the Swiss franc's been in about 6 years at about spot 88. So big moves in some of these currencies. Oil, we got that OPEC Plus announcement yesterday. They are going to phase into, over the course of the next year, phase into and ramp up in production versus just a hard ramp up, which was the fear and what was many were expecting to happen. So we'll have this phased approach. As a result, oil trading up above $46 a barrel in WTI, seeing strength this morning. So again, big number, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time today. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll check in with you again first thing Monday morning.